Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. X! Not doing anything weird right now, which in and of itself is really weird. But there is this update to their privacy policy, allowing the company to collect biometric information for safety, security, and identification purposes, which is interesting because, the whole verified badge required similar data. Well, maybe not biometric, but certainly, other forms of ID. Plus jobs, education. Effectively, this... I'm not going to say it's great news. It's interesting news because many people used Twitter, as it was, and certainly in its current incarnation, X, to make connections with other people. So the news goes further. Oh, hang on just a second. Someone's following me on Twitch.
Just resubscribe for 30 months.
Never mind. The Midnight Smith just resubscribed. Live.Pirillo.com going on behind me. Josh is building his first 3D printer tonight, too. Live. Happening 24/7. Live.Pirillo.com. But Elon has also come out, and even though there's no date that's been planted, come out and said that X users are going to be able to use X. I almost said Twitter. I need a jar, throwing pennies into the jar every time I say Twitter instead of X, to make video and audio calls without sharing a phone number. So again, this is interesting to me because people were using Twitter. Where's the penny? Pretend there's a jar. So they're using X to make job connections. I've done that in the past. I've scored gigs that way. And certainly to connect with other people, at least by way of DM. So, using X to make audio and video calls makes sense. This is how I feel people would be using it anyway. So this is a very interesting direction, and I wish them the best because I don't have the luxury of quitting one network or another. I just don't, because I have to connect with people where they are. So I may have feelings about various platforms, but as far as I'm concerned, this is starting to make a little more sense to me. Now, can they stick the landing? That remains to be seen. Is this interesting to you?